Here's a tip. If you have an image in mind, but it's not quite perfect and you need more inspiration, try using an image web search to find similar images. This can help refine your vision and provide additional ideas to enhance your project. If you ask ChatGPT, it can provide various methods to achieve this. However, I'll demonstrate how to do it specifically using Google. Head over to images.google.com and look for the little lens icon. It's pretty handy. When you hover over it, you'll see it says Search with Images. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you've got two simple options. You can either upload an image from your computer or just drag and drop a picture right into the box. Google will do the rest, finding similar images to spark new ideas or refine what you're looking for. It's really that simple and super useful. You can then take the picture that best matches your style and upload it back into ChatGPT. From there, you have a couple of options. You can ask ChatGPT to create a detailed description of the image and use that description to create a new version with DALL-E, or simply ask it to generate new versions inspired by the original image. This process not only helps you refine the design, but also ensures the output is unique and avoids any copyright concerns